Installing the system board assembly. Align the guide pin in the chassis with the slot on the left side of the system board and then lower the right end into the chassis. Hold the handle and the rear edge of the system board and then slide the system board slightly backward to secure it to the chassis. Connect all the cables to the system board and then install the following components in the order they are listed below. The firmware and TPM 2.0 security module, the processor and heatsink, the memory modules, the intrusion switch cable, the power backplane, the OCP adapter, the M.2 boot adapter, both PCIe riser assemblies, the fan cage assembly, the air baffle, the top covers, if applicable, the security bezel,